shoulder, 'cause you'll never be alone. Prepare for the horrors, this night